Hello friends, today I am going to show you hand painted porcelain dinner sets on bone china plates. I'll show you two wipeout techniques in porcelain painting on soup bowls and curry bowls. Those who are interested can join Freehand Painting and other courses online. These are hand painted dinner plates. This is rice platter. This is a big curry bowl and this is another curry bowl with lid. These are salt pepper shakers. These are few hand painted items of the dinner set. This is a full hand painted 29 pieces dinner set. If interested, you can buy this hand painted dinner set. If you want some other design, you can order for one. These are few more other designs in hand painted dinner sets. You can see how to paint a curry and soup bowl. First I am dabbing the color on the soup bowl. These are oil-based porcelain colors. After painting, you have to heat this at 850 degrees. After taking blue porcelain color, I have taken burgundy color and now I am dabbing that burgundy color. With D-foot brush I am making the flower. There are different sizes of these brushes. I have taken a small one. Now with wipeout tool I am giving the finishings to the flowers. There are different varieties of wipeout tools. bowls you can use for soup bowls or for curry. And after I have completed this painting on these bowls, now I'll keep them in the kiln. After heating, the colors become permanent on the bowls. This is a special kiln to heat these porcelain works. In this kiln you can heat up to 1000 degrees. Now I have placed all the bowls in the kiln. The kiln takes 6 hours to reach 850 degrees. Again, to cool down also it takes more than 6 hours. Now I have closed the kiln and it's now getting heated. The next day after 15 hours I am opening the kiln and now I'll be removing all the items. Now you can see these bowls are ready. After painting, if you touch these colors, they get removed unless you heat these items. Now I am painting another soup bowl. I am drawing stems with a small wipeout tool and then I'll be drawing the buds. With Dave foot brush I am drawing the buds. On this bowl also I have dabbed the colors all around and then using wipeout tool and Dave foot brush I am drawing this design. If you touch these colors, the colors get removed. So while painting, you have to be very careful. I'm using big wipeout tool and I'm making the leaves. This is a mop brush which I am using. this design is complete. Serve very small bowls for sauce. After 15 hours you can see these heated soup bowls. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art and craft. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.